Edye beans with a little house of beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, we will be making cranberry white chocolate bread pudding. Now this isn't a recipe per se. We're gonna try something different. I had some cranberries left over and of course some bread, and we're going to make this delicious bread pudding. The recipe and the links to the products you see here will be in the description below. We do have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so to the Little House of Beans. Click that notification bell, smooshy that like button. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I am ready to make this cranberry white chocolate bread pudding. Let's cook.
Should I stay here? Should I stay